Ancient Egyptians valued having large families with lots of children. But how can we read and write the words for son and daughter in hieroglyphs? That's up next. The words for daughter and son were very similar. Both start with za, spelled with this duck hieroglyph. The word for son often also has this dash over the back of the duck and could end there, or they might also include a seated man determinative at the end of the word. For daughter, a tea bread loaf was included, usually above the back of the duck, but it could be below as well, to give the word a feminine ending. Like with son, daughter could also sometimes have a determinative, a seated woman in this case. These are extremely useful words to know because they appear on monuments such as tomb walls and stelae frequently, as well as in a variety of other texts such as legal documents. In fact, they're just about the most common family relationships mentioned in texts in general, such as we see here on this tomb wall painting and also on this stela. We'll zoom in on these in just a moment. But first, if you're enjoying this video series on family terms, this is just a small part of what you'll learn in my very popular course, SCRIBAL School. SCRIBAL School will take you from knowing nothing or little about ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs to reading the most common texts that you'll see in museums, online, or on a trip to Egypt. Doors are open right now, but only for a few days, so you'll want to head over to scribalschool.com to get all the details and claim your spot. So back to the tomb that belonged to Serenput. We can see in this scene here that Serenput's son Ankh'u is giving him offerings. And on this stela that belonged to a man named Intef, Intef made sure that the artist who created his stela included lots of family and other household members too. The second register is especially full with his children. We can see many sons and daughters, including his son Ameni and his daughter Intef Ankh. Brothers and sisters are also common on monuments, and you can learn more about those here or check out the whole family terms series here.